Cell phones often hold important or confidential information such as documents, photographs, and videos. However, it is inevitable that you will not be able to lend your phone to a family member or friend who needs to make an online consultation or use a specific application. Android's PIN application feature allows you to limit the use of your phone by only approving the use of that application for which you were borrowed. Once that person has finished using the phone, you can unlock the application so you can access the rest of the applications and documents as you normally do. To do this, go to Settings. Once there, click on the Anchor window tab and activate it. You will also have the option to activate a pattern request to be able to anchor the window once you have your phone back. Remember that the instructions up to this point can be done only once and leave the function activated without any problem. When a person or friend asks to borrow your phone, you can leave the tab or application that the person is going to use anchored and lend him the phone without the risks of the person opening confidential documents or files. This because the cell phone will not allow him to do so during the use of the anchored application. To do this, open the application that the person is going to use. After clicking on the Resume button and then on the logo of the application, a brief menu will be displayed in which the Anchor tab option is right at the end. When the Anchor is opened, it will notify the person of the action and even hide the notifications and menu of the top part where the time appears. Once you have your phone back, you can unlock the tab by pressing the Resume and Back buttons at the same time. The phone will ask you for the pattern you set for screen lock and you can access your phone again normally without restriction. Remember that even if the person knows how to undo the tab, they will not be able to do so if you set the pattern or security code.